Krishna friends. Today I'm going to tell you a story about lion, the lion and the mouse. Moral stories by Manoj Publication and retold by Darsh. On a hot summer day, a lion was resting under the shadow of a tree. In the meantime came out a mouse who lived in the tree hole. Seeing the lion in restful mood, it came closer boldly. Finding the lion sleepy, the mouse decided to play, running over his body. The lion was still awake. The mouse was now in his paw. Silly mouse, you disturbed my sleep, so you shall die, the lion roared. The mouse begged, "Don't kill me, sire. Forgive me. I might be helpful to you someday." The lion was amused. He generously let the mouse off. Some day later, the lion was trapped in a net under the same tree. The lion tried hard to get himself free but failed. From its hole, the mouse saw the lion in trouble. It had a debt to pay to the kind lion. The mouse went to work and cut the net to pieces and freed the lion. Moral: even small friends prove big help. Thanks for watching. Follow for more videos. Hare Krishna.